Hey guys, this is Autumn with KAJ Bath & Body, back with another soap video. Today's soap is named Blue Steel, and it has a camouflage type design for the bar, and then on the front it features a little handgun that's made out of melt and pour soap. So you will see me in this video put it together. I'll explain some things. It's not a real difficult bar as far as design or anything like that. It's super simple and really easy, and I'll explain and give some directions. So if it's something that you would like to put together, you would be able to very easily. Okay, I'll be back. After I get my lye water in, well, before my lye water, you see me put in my kaolin clay and my colloidal oats into my oils. I give those a whirl, mix them in. Then I put in my lye water, and then I split off my colors, and that's what we got right here. So now I'm gonna make my different colors. The dark blue is Twilight from Mad Micas. The light blue is a color that you can't get a hold of. And then this is Satin Pillowcase from Mad Micas. And then the darker color is called Graphite, but that's something that you can't get a hold of either. The company went out of business. But you can really use any mix of colors that you want. So I'm kind of mixing them a little bit to try to get what I want. The blue is going to be perfect. I added a little bit of the Twilight to the lighter blue. And then I will add a little bit of TD to a couple of these colors. Now, you really don't have to worry about acceleration with these because when I go to put them into the mold, I'm going to be using a spoon. So they're going to be thick, and it's in, like I have the white here. You see, this is perfect consistency. Now, all I'm going to do is spoon in different colors in different places, and it will give it kind of a camouflage type of look. So go ahead and watch this, and you'll see how super simple it is to get this look in a bar soap. A really important step is about every layer or so, you're going to want to tap down your molds so your colors spread out a little bit, and it will help fill in any kind of gaps or air holes, air holes in there. So yeah, you give them a good tap, and it will spread out the colors, and they'll mingle with each other, and it will look more like a camouflage type of thing. Now, just like that, now I got them all in the molds. I kind of just textured the top. And then we're going to show the cut. You ready? There. Now, of course, it's not a perfect looking camouflage design, but you get the idea. You can kind of see what I'm going for here. As you can see, I do have a few air holes, but it's not a big deal at all. When you trim the side of your soaps, you just take the color that the hole is in off the trimmings from the side of the soap, and you just fill it in like putty, and you can't really tell that there was a air bubble there or anything like that. So this is going to be the smaller loaf, so it's kind of a smaller, flatter bar than my tall and skinny. Okay, in a moment I'm going to show you how to put the gun on front of the bars. Before you attach the gun to the front of the bar, you want to make sure that the soaps are trimmed up, because once the gun's on the front, it doesn't let you run the potato peeler down the sides very well. So make sure all your bars are cleaned up and ready to go. I'm using clear melt and pour soap to attach the guns. I'm using it like glue. Now, the first thing I do is press the gun firmly into the front of the bar, so it kind of makes a little outline of the gun, so I know where to put my glue, and make sure that's in the middle of the outline, so I don't get a really messy outer part with the glue, squirting out the sides. But if that does happen, it's not a big deal. It's an easy cleanup. Isn't that cute? Oh, I love it. Okay, so we're going to put it in the right spot. We'll press it down so we get the outline of the gun on the bar. I'm fiddling with it. I couldn't figure out how I wanted to do it. There we go. Yep, press it down. That way we have the outline. We know where to put the melt and pour soap. And you don't want to put a whole bunch of melt and pour soap. You don't want it to, just squirt out the sides and make a mess. But a little bit's not a big deal. You can clean it up. Just take kind of a little sharp tool like this, and I'll show you how easy it comes off the main bar. And when you do it, you don't want to scrape too hard because you don't want to put gouges into the main part of the soap. But it moves very easily. Just kind of wiggle it around a little bit. Comes right off. Super easy. Alright guys, I'm going to finish up a couple bars here so you can see the process from start to finish. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. And if you would like to see more videos like this from me, go ahead and subscribe and hit that notification bell so you'll get notified as soon as I upload a video. Thank you for watching this video. I hope to see you in the next video. Have a great day, and don't forget to hang out till the end because you're going to want to see the pictures. They turned out adorable. Thank you. Bye.